Understanding the phrase, fly by. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a common phrase in the English language, fly by. You might have heard it in conversations or seen it in writings, and it can be a little tricky to understand. So let's break it down. When we hear the words, fly, and by, the first image that might come to mind is that of a bird or an airplane passing by in the sky. In its most literal sense, fly by refers to something moving quickly through the air, passing another object or location. Example, the fighter jets flew by the stadium during the national anthem. More often than not, flyby is used in a figurative sense. It's a way to describe how time seems to pass quickly. When someone says that time flew by, they're expressing that it felt like events or moments happened very swiftly and perhaps unexpectedly. Example 1. I can't believe it's already December. This year really flew by. Example 2. It feels like just yesterday we were freshmen, and now we're graduating. Time really does fly by. There are several other phrases and idioms in English that convey a similar sentiment. Some of them include, time flies. This means that time passes surprisingly quickly. Example, when you're having fun, time flies. In the blink of an eye. This means very quickly or suddenly. Example, the kids grew up in the blink of an eye. Understanding these related phrases can give you a richer understanding of the context in which flyby might be used. So there you have it. The phrase flyby can be understood both literally and figuratively. Whether you're talking about birds, planes, or the swift passage of time, it's a handy expression to have in your English toolkit. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the essence of this phrase. Until next time, keep soaring in your language learning journey.